electronics. Invention of vacuum tubes. Invention of vacuum tubes. Electronics took birth in 1897 when Sir John Ambrose Fleming developed a vacuum diode. Useful electronics came in 1906 when vacuum triode was invented by Leader Forrest. This device could amplify electrical signals. Later, around 1925, tetrode and pentode vacuum tubes were developed. These tubes dominated the field of electronics till the end of World War II. Vacuum tubes. A vacuum tube, electron tube or thermionic valve is a device controlling electric current through a vacuum in a sealed container. The container is often made with thin transparent glass in a roughly cylindrical shape. The simplest vacuum tube, the diode, is similar to an incandescent light bulb with an added electrode inside. When the bulb's filament is heated red hot, electrons leave its surface into the vacuum inside the bulb. If the electrode called a plate or anode is made more positive than the hot filament, a direct current flows through the vacuum to the electrode. As the current flows only in one direction, it is possible to convert an alternating current applied to the filament to direct current. As electrodes are added, these devices can be used for various other applications. Tubes with 3 electrodes are known as triodes, that with 4 as tetrodes and 5 as pentodes.